I'm Dominic, and today I'm making pasta puttanesca. This is one of the most simple recipes with a huge flavor payoff. I'm keeping this video simple because there's just not that much to it. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 or more cloves of garlic, peeled and smashed, 3 or more anchovy fillets, 1 28-ounce can of whole San Marzano tomatoes, a half cup of pitted black olives. I'm using kalamata, but use ones that you like. 2 tablespoons of capers, crushed red pepper flakes to taste. I like about 3/4 of a teaspoon, but that's pretty spicy. 1 pound of long pasta. I'm using bucatini, and chopped fresh parsley for serving. You're going to want to hand squish your tomatoes. Puttanesca shouldn't be too saucy, so I leave some of the juice in the can. Keep it and use some of it if you feel that your sauce is too dry. Smash your garlic like so. And that's all the prep. Now let's heat 2 tablespoons of the olive oil over medium-low heat. When hot, add the garlic and anchovies. When you do, your kitchen is going to smell like a sleepy Italian seaside village. No exaggeration. Stir that occasionally for about 5 minutes until the garlic is golden brown. Add the tomatoes to the pan sauce with some salt and pepper. Raise the heat to medium-high and cook, stirring occasionally for about 10 minutes. Stir in the olives, red pepper flakes, and capers, and continue to simmer on medium-low while you cook your pasta. After you drain your pasta, dump it right into the pan. Hit it with the remaining tablespoon of olive oil and stir it well. So the name, Puttanesca. Well, it roughly translates into style of the whore or lady of the night. I'm gonna let you Google it. It's a long story, and this channel is PG. Now, plate this magnificent pasta. Sprinkle it with parsley and serve. Look at that. Lovely. And now, the final test. Success! If you like this video and would like me to make more, like, subscribe, and comment, and maybe I will. I'm not promising anything though.